Justin Baldoni's next steps in his fight against his It Ends With Us co-star Blake Lively. Welcome to Access Hollywood from Universal Studios Hollywood. I'm Mario Lopez, and it has been a wild 13 days since the New York Times dropped their expose on Lively's allegations that Baldoni sexually harassed her and orchestrated a smear campaign against her. Baldoni has since sued the Times for libel, which they deny. And today, Baldoni's attorney Bryan Freedman reveals to NBC News that's only the beginning.
Do you plan to sue Blake Lively?
Absolutely.
You will?
Yes.
And what will you allege in that suit?
Well, we're working on it now.
Was there a coordinated smear campaign to bring down Blake Lively?
100% no. Justin Baldoni from the get-go said, I don't want to do anything negative toward her. I don't want to hurt her.
Honestly, directing myself, a lot of that had to do with the brilliance of Blake Lively.
You're denying a smear campaign, but are you acknowledging that there may have been some behavior on set that could have made some of the cast, including Blake Lively, uncomfortable?
I think there's some behavior always that can make people uncomfortable, and I don't think anybody has the intention to do that. The question really in this case is, does it rise to the level of sexual harassment?
Baldoni's lawyer also doubling down on why people should believe Justin's claims.
I am more than willing to take every single text message that exists out there, lay them out, put them on a website for the world to see.
Blake's husband, Reynolds, is also mentioned in Baldoni's libel suit against the New York Times as Baldoni alleges Reynolds aggressively berated him during a meeting at their New York apartment, accusing him of fat-shaming his wife, a claim which Ryan denies. Attorney Misty Marris, who does not represent Baldoni, Lively, or Reynolds, shared how she believes this will affect Reynolds.
Ryan, at this point, does not face any specific allegations or there's no legal claims that are asserted against him. That being said, Ryan is going to have a large part in this case, and that's because he had involvement with the production of the movie.
In his suit, Baldoni paints a picture of Lively and Reynolds allegedly trying to take creative control of It Ends With Us, and Blake's interview admitting the following was even included in Justin's suit.
The iconic rooftop scene in this movie, my husband actually wrote it.
What's your name?
Lily. You?
Ryle.
He works on everything I do. I work on everything he does. So his wins, his celebrations are mine, and mine are his. I mean, he's all over this film.
Due to Reynolds' creative involvement in the film, Marris explains what could happen next for him if this goes to trial.
He's going to be deposed. He's going to be turning over text messages, emails, documents, information, subpoenas. The question is, where will it stand with marital and spousal privilege? They'll both be called as witnesses in these civil cases. But sometimes there are issues which go outside the spousal relationship. And a judge can say that an individual is required to testify about communications with their spouse.
And Blake's attorney responded to questions about Baldoni's suit, saying in part, nothing in this lawsuit changes anything about the claims advanced in her civil rights complaint.